Elmo's guessing game about colors. Hi Elmo. Do you want to play guessing game with Elmo? Elmo is thinking of a color. Can you guess what it is? Elmo will give you a hint. It's the same color as Elmo's fur. Did you guess red? What other red things do you see? A red sweater, red apples, ladybugs, and a fire truck. Zoe's fur makes Elmo think of another color. Can you guess what color Elmo is thinking about? Did you guess orange? What other orange things do you see? An orange ball, orange carrots, orange juice, and a pumpkin. Oh, I love orange juice. Now Elmo is thinking about the color of his favorite feathered friends. Can you guess what color Elmo is thinking about? Did you guess yellow? What other yellow things do you see? A yellow bright sun, yellow balloons. Oh, I love balloons. I have. Yellow sticks. Oh, they're so cute. And a yellow school bus. It is bright yellow. Wow, you're really good at this game. Elmo's friend Oscar wants to play too. Can you guess which crafty color Elmo is thinking about? Did you guess green? What other green things do you see? Green turtle? I love turtles. And a green tree, green lettuce, and a green crocodile. Remember, I just said that. Elmo has thoughts of almost all the colors in the rainbow. There are only 2 colors left. Can you guess which other colors? Did you guess blue and purple? I love those colors. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is all of the colors. I love colors.